Cleared NEET and you are from Telangana? Well then, the real race starts now. It's counseling time. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire Telangana NEET counseling process, from registration to seat allocation. So make sure you watch this video till end. One misstep could cost you your seat. Also, subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any important updates. First up, who conducts the counseling? It's done by KNRUHS, which stands for Kalonji Narayana Rao University of Health Sciences. The process covers MBBS, BDS and Ayush courses. To be eligible, you must be a Telangana local candidate. You must have qualified NEET and your class strength marks in PCB should be at least 50% if you're from the general category and 40% if you're from the SC, ST or OBC category. Also, if you are from Andhra Pradesh but meet the Telangana eligibility criteria, you can still apply under a special category. By the way, are you aiming for a government, private or a management quota seat? Do let me know in the comments. Alright, now let's go step by step through the counseling process. It's conducted entirely online. The first step is registration and document upload. Visit the official KNRUHS website, upload your documents like your NEET scorecard, domicile certificate, mark sheet, ID proof, etc. Pay the application fee depending on your reservation category. In the next step, a provisional merit list is released based on your NEET scores. Step 3 is web options entry. Here, you choose and prioritize the colleges that you want. Be very smart about this. Mix safe options with dream choices. The seat allotment is done in multiple rounds. In each round, you can either accept the seat or opt for an upgrade. Once you get your preferred seat, report to the allotted college with all the original documents. Now, let's understand the Telangana MBBS counseling scene. 85% of the total seats in the government medical colleges fall under the state quota, exclusively for Telangana local candidates, with fees ranging from 7,000 to 20,000 per year. Even in private colleges, 50% of the seats are reserved for the local candidates, with fees around 60,000 per year. Talking about the management quota, 35% of the seats in private colleges are reserved for Indian citizens, out of which 85% are for Telangana locals and 15% are for all India candidates. The fees around 11.5 to 14.5 lakh per annum. And what about the NRI quota? Well, it's strictly for NRI students and the fees are almost double. Telangana NEET counseling usually begins in the 3rd or 4th week of July. Keep checking the official KNRUHS website for regular updates. This was all about the Telangana NEET counseling. The most crucial step during the entire process is to make a good mix of dream colleges and safe choices. And make sure you have all the important documents during verification. It can cause serious trouble. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Know someone who has cleared NEET, share this video with them. And if you've got any doubts, drop them in the comment section and I'll reply to each comment personally. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss a thing. All the best future doctors. I'll see you in the next video.